Boo Records.
Just recording. Alright, vlog, what's up? I feel like we're strangers now. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to do that to y'all. Welcome to the vlog. Y'all already know by the title that we are in Jamaica. We're celebrating Mandy's 30th birthday. Talk to me dirty. But anyways, so we are staying at the Rio Palace location. The Rio does have like 3 different locations here, but we're staying at the Palace location because it's like the top tier, so you get to go to the other resorts as well. But I'll explain more about that later. Now we're about to go check out the resort for what it is for the time being. No, you're good. And of course, you guys, Mandy's my roommate for the weekend. Yeah, y'all pretty much have already seen the hotel for what it, the room for what it is, but it's cute. Like the shower, bathroom here, you got 2 dual sinks, and you got a hot tub, and then it goes to the 2 rooms, and then we got a garden suite room. So I don't know if I want to explain this now, but maybe I should, so we can just get it over with. But basically, y'all, we booked this trip through a travel agent, and honestly do not recommend the experience with her. It was just, the communication was poor, and honestly we could have did this ourselves, to be honest. Like, it's just things that as a travel agent she should have done that she did not do. But we're not gonna dwell on that because we're here, we activated, and let's get this party started. You guys, this is my favorite crossover episode.
We all over here now.
This is my favorite crossover episode. Bro, get out of here. I know, childish.
Where we at? Are you thinking what I'm dollars?
Let's get this party started. Nicole, please. Please.
But we had fun. Happy birthday. Happy birthday on the way.
We just kind of took shots and stuff at the bar.
You took one more?
Yeah.
Which one is this? Look, you said I was gonna do this.
I said, yeah, I know you too well. Yeah, Mandy was mainly talking about something. Yeah, I'm not gonna take no shots. Look at her.
Hey,
but
your girl turned 30 tomorrow.
So today's itinerary, we're supposed to just hang out for right now, and then what are we doing? Okay, hold on, be right back. I am trying to figure out how to work this. I don't even know, y'all. I feel like my boobs grew overnight. I'm wearing like this 2-piece set thing. I'm gonna take off this head wrap. I was just doing this to lay my edges. I was gonna do my makeup, but I got my lashes done, and I did my eyebrows, and honestly, the humidity right now, we may be skinning it out. My skin is skinning right now, so that's why I was like comfortable in leaving it as it is right now. So this is Mandy's outfit, y'all.
Bring me a birthday. Rest in peace to my 20s. Got the dress from Fashion Nova, shoes from Shein, braids from Adon Braid Experience, you know. It's gonna be a movie tonight.
Mandy surprised us with bags. I'm acting surprised like I didn't know. What you drinking? What's that?
You trust him?
Yeah.
It's a mango punch.
I just ordered a lemon drop.
Not you trying to get me murdered. I have never bought one of those things.
Oh, it's actually really good.
You know, refresh.
I'm gonna show y'all what's in here. So we got cups. Oh,
Jamaica,
we got-
crazy.
oh, we got cups with our name. So cute.
You're welcome, guys. That's our appreciation gift from me to y'all.
I love it. I love it.
Aren't you so adorbs? Anyway, so it's a cup. It's a clear bag.
Y'all gonna be feeling me.
And a hangover kit with all our fave things.
Let me take some
So
DC powder now.
Hostess with the mostest. And my girl got an itinerary. Period.
Sleeping, but this is our welcome dinner. I just want to say thank you guys for being on this trip. It really means a lot to me. I give y'all a little appreciation of this for y'all just, spend this time and bring me my 30th birthday. I'm so grateful for friendship and love that y'all are showering me with. So I'm so thankful for y'all. I really thank you guys for coming, and I really, really appreciate it. By my heart makes me want to cry. But yeah. Talk to me 30th.
Cause this is your day. It's your day. So happy birthday, dear Mandy.
We love the unified happy birthday. The harmony, chef's kiss. Wow. Whose idea?
It was Here's to a great night. We're about to turn up. We're about to bring in 30. Rest in peace to our 20s. We're gonna have us a hell of a time. I thank you and love all you guys for coming. Turn up for me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Turn up! Y'all said what about it? You wanna take mine?
Was that rain?
You wanna take mine?
What the hell was that, y'all?
Well, that shit burning.
Somebody tired.
I'm scared.
That was not tequila. That was somebody tired. I did not like that at all.
Paige didn't take one of her shots, y'all.
Yeah. What you over here being messy for?
That's what it was.
Janelle.
I won't be engaging in that.
Alright, let me see.
Hopefully everybody's on time. We'll see. The time to be downstairs is 9:40. Let's see what time everybody shows up.
It's not some racism thing, it's just a brand thing.
Everybody get on the bus.
Everybody's not on the bus yet. What?
Right here.
You from Texas make you say ah. Did y'all have a good time tonight or what?
Yes, ma'am.
On the way out, everybody owes me a shot, okay? We're not leaving this bus without a shot.
Boo! You're not the boss of us.
We're not leave without a shot.
I need an instrumental. I need an instrumental.
Nia. Wait, is it cold? I can't. No, I can't. Okay. Oh, it is actually nice.
No, it feels great.
I'm gonna drop y'all. Life is good. Life is good. Oh. Look at our shining. Get up here. Let's dance.
You said that like 10 times.
Facts.
Hey, on that boat, I need last night times 10.
Last night was lit. I don't know though.
You're asking. Do you know what you're asking
Last night
for?
we gave a really good performance.
It's boat day. It's so cute.
So your captain for today is Captain Kino.
No.
Hey.
Two of the lifeguard, you have already met Orion. So we have Yashik.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
DJ Frey onboarded us.
DJ.
Go, DJ.
We have Andre 3000, your mixologist, and he's downstairs.
Okay, Andre 3000.
That's live right here.
Oh, you scared the heck out of me.
Andre 3000.
Andre. Are you joining the snorkelers, Maya?
Baby, when they are.
I don't know about that.
Hey, you could be doing that over there.
I would do that. I would do that. I would do paragliding.
It's fun.
It's like a big swing.
I've done it one time.
Half of the group went snorkeling.
But you don't touch the water.
I don't really want to be a snorkeler. But the water is clear. It is clean. Like the water is very blue. It's very blue. We leaving, y'all. We leaving. Look at Mandy. Get back on this boat. Go, Mandy. Go, Mandy.
Taking off for the hot dog, rolling up John Newton. Man, I'm upstart, I beat a grip. If them this, I'm gonna catch your market.
What you say?
What's my name?
Pen page.
That is my name.
Pen.
Hey.
No, Pen. I'm Pen your page.
No, your name is not Pen.
You ask what my name is.
What's his name? Tell me the truth. You're lying. You lied.
Okay.
You lied.
I'm no Pen. I'm Marker.
Marco?
It's Marker.
Marker. No,
Yeah, I'm
you're
writing
not.
the page.
Your name is not Marker.
That's marker right here.
No, you're lying because you don't want to say it from over there. Tell me the truth. I'm ready.
That's marker right here.
You're lying. Why are you lying?
That's my own boy Mark.
Not you lying to the vlog too, y'all. He don't. Man, you can't trust him.
What's my name?
You didn't tell me. Please, come on. It's only one thing. One thing. I'm just saying. One thing. Come on. You can be on it for 5 seconds.
I'm the jumbo cat, okay?
What's wrong? It's cold.
Why you be 3 of
It's cold.
Chloe, Leah, who? I never said yes. Are y'all saying
Go, baby, go.
Yeah, guys, $50. Jump in. Don't jump on that.
Terrible.
You can't get mad at nepotism.
I love
That's
it.
how this country is.
I think I like this little life.
That's why you gotta.
Oh, you posted this on your story?
That's
I don't
why
think
you
I
have to
see
make
your
sure you
story.
get successful.
It hasn't
That's how your
uploaded
kids
yet.
gonna get it too.
Oh.
Paige, when you watch, you're gonna be so proud of me. I did like a little foreshadowing thing. I was like, let's roll the footage.
But you press the red button, is the screen red?
Yes. I ain't asked for help. Shut up. Thank you so much for accommodating us.
Food's here. We got some fritters. Keep up here. Ooh, that do look good, actually.
Rice and peas. I got pasta.
I almost got pasta.
Good.
Ooh.
That looks really good. I am ready. I started to get pasta too.
But let me zoom in. Okay, I'm ready.
It's gonna be filling.
Ooh, hold on.
Is that escovitch? No. Stewfish.
Stewfish?
Brown stew.
Wait, she told me the name. So apparently, y'all, the food is good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I could have went anywhere, this is where I would have been. Like, the food is great. The drink is great. Nia said the oxtail is great. The fritters are great. Everything's been sensational.
That's the only people I be having with.
Now we're about to go back to the resort. We just came from the boat. I don't think I even talked to y'all today. I don't even think I'll talk to y'all today. I'm sorry. Alright, y'all, this is what I'm wearing. Got all of this on. So yeah. Cute. Oh, y'all look so cute. The lighting is good. Oh, that one pregnant. Look at you, biggie. Facts. So we made it. Good morning. Ooh. So we just made it over here. It's so humid, the camera is fogging up. This nails, oh, I forgot to show y'all my nails. So cute. So Nicole is getting some waist beads. I got all types of stuff. Oh, this is so cute.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
I'm gonna come back because I do want some crochet. I want this. That's actually kind of cute.
Hi, ladies. Good morning.
My mom would love this.
We're gonna come back. We're not gonna leave.
Because we don't want to hold it while we do the thing. But I'm coming back. So I can get all my gifts right here.
Yeah, low key.
But yeah, they got shopping here, y'all. And I guess we about to do like the waivers and stuff like that. I'm excited. Why the water moving so fast? I'm not ready. What are those?
Oh, you gotta tell me twice. I ain't getting that.
30th birthday.
So y'all, we trying to decide.
Who's going by themselves?
We trying to decide.
He's really the OG.
He really the OG. Nah, y'all, we trying to decide who we riding with.
Yeah, they need one person to ride by themselves and nobody.
Oh, one person to ride by themselves?
Yeah,
Who's gonna take my photos?
Why we exactly?
Oh, we need to rethink this. Oh, because only two people can go on.
Yeah, it seems like somebody's gonna go with the driver.
Oh,
I want a friend to take my picture.
if you're not coming commit to taking my picture, you can't. I'm not riding. I'm not riding.
It's the way I just be looking, bro. They said who wanna go with first timer?
I think he really the OG. He said, who wanna go with the first time?
I said I can't swim. He said I can't swim. I don't work here.
Oh yeah, I'm not going with him. But no, for real, why the water going so fast? Like, let's, cause how do we stop?
Alright, fear yourself, stop. We're going solo.
Tata. But I want the best way. Mandy, what do you want to do? It's your birthday. Do you want to go solo? If you don't want to go solo, don't go solo.
No, yeah. You don't have to. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
A little too much. I'm proud of you, Javon.
Alright, girl, you have to record. You can do that.
Wait, Mandy, you can't scoot over? I'm about to say scoot over.
I'm at the end.
Okay. All right. We made it on here. Now let's just see how it goes.
You know, we're just out here living my best life.
Yeah. Yeah. Facts.
That's all.
Bro, look at We're off. Oh my god.
Alright, so also this water we got plenty of fish, no sharks, no crocodiles, no piranhas, no snakes.
Oh, that's what y'all think.
How do y'all know that?
Right, who verified? I know y'all. Yeah. Oh, look at them, so cute. Guys, stop it. We just took pictures. Now I'm about to get some rum punch.
Thank you.
Oh, it smells good. Cheers. Ooh,
that's good.
Ooh, it's gonna get me right. We should have drank that before the pictures. Said not bad for your first day on the job. Why? First day. Oh.
Jamaican mango right there. It's a difference, I promise y'all.
It's a juicy mango.
It tastes so different. I love Jamaican mango. That's off the tree right there.
Wow. That's the best mango I've ever had in my life. This is what I'm talking about. First class customer service.
We're finna
So now we're done with the bamboo rafting. We got our souvenirs.
We're about to
peeps, so we're about to make a detour.
Can you ask your bus? Are they?
Damn! You wanna be on the block so bad?
In here.
You wanna be on the block so bad?
I don't know why I thought that we were leaving.
Getting something to eat now. Cause I've worked up an appetite at this point. Nicole, please.
Hey, stay there. Is that fish?
That smells,
The whole fish.
smells so good.
I ordered the same thing like I just love lobster.
Damn.
They're good.
It do look good.
I'm gonna tear this one up.
Yeah.
I'm ready to open it. Woo!
Too, that's why we're still kind of cool, because it's like, it's whatever now.
This looks so good.
Bite shot and they don't even know. But it's something light, lemon drop shots.
Gotta go.
For my friend. It's lemon drop shots.
Nicole. Yeah, we're just gonna chill in the pool, drink. They already been down here. I had to charge my phone because it was dead. It was dead. Dead. But yeah. I know, we should go over there and play volleyball.
Okay, let's do it. We didn't have enough drinks, y'all.
So we about to go play volleyball now, I guess.
Texas. I've been seeing a lot of persons from Texas this week. It's like that's the whole group. So nobody's left in Texas then. You guys are here. Okay. Here we go. Talk to me. No, what's your name? What did I do? Where you from? No. This is my show. Here we go. What's your name?
Hey.
Paige. Where you from?
Texas.
Texas. You sure you ready for this? You ready? You believe in her? Uh oh, she's stretching the legs. All right. You want to give a shout out to anybody back home? Because you look like you're ready to fight.
I want to shout out to me because my fucking birthday.
So now, note to self, I should not give you the microphone. Stop playing. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Paige, we hope you are not like that. DJ, give me that beat one time. Hey, stop.
Stop, Paige, stop.
Thank you, Will, for getting us some KFC.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you told me to get what?
Oh, no, I just took a leg out.
Okay, I'll get a small piece. Okay, thanks, Bookie. Thank you. Guys, I got my KFC. First bite. It's all good. It's on fire. This not regular KFC, y'all. They always say when you go to Caribbean countries, get that KFC. This is really, Popeyes too. Okay. Okay, KFC.
You tap each other?
Din din. Right. We are going to the all-white party. We all got our white fits on. And clearly this is the place to be. So yeah, it's an all-white party till like 11. So we were like, let's just try it out. Let's just see. Let's just dance. Alright.
Hey, they do everything early.
Are y'all leaving? Wow. Wow. Okay, let's just see.
Right now. Left to right, come on.
Hey guys, you hear my voice? Yeah. I don't know why this happens to me every time, but I just got back to the hotel. We went out for the last night because we were like, let's just do the last night. We did try to go to the silent party here, but for some reason, it wasn't a silent party. I don't know what happened with that, but when we went to the club, it was cool. Like, Lounge 2727 was lit tonight. So if you ever come to Jamaica, Saturdays is Lounge 27, Fridays is Pier 1, and Thursdays is Ladies Night at 2727. As you can see, it was lit. We went to 2727, it was packed. So we were like, we tried to get a section and stuff, but they wouldn't serve us a hookah unless we had a table. So we were like, man, whatever. And then it was like a $400 minimum bottle. And we were like, I mean, we just came for the vibes. So we were like, can we go to another club? So we went to the club next door, and I think it's called like Blue something. But it was actually lit. Like, we actually had a great time. We got a table. It was free entry for ladies, and I think guys too. And it was cool. It was a really cool experience. Like, a lot of people were out, and we really just enjoyed the night. They played good music and everything like that. So yeah, no complaints. Solid last night out. And I don't know, I really love Jamaica. I felt at home here. Everybody that we encountered were very friendly, just looking to have a good time and party and all that jazz. So it was cool, like, no complaints. I will always come back to Jamaica. Jamaica is good in my books, but baby, I gotta get back to real life. I got a lot of stuff that I gotta do. So it's like back to reality. We leave in the morning. So yeah, I think my flight is at like 2. So, and checkout's at 11. I think our transfer is gonna come pick us up then. But yeah, that's it. That's all of Jamaica. So we'll just be going home now. But grand time. But anyways, good night.